welcome back to the channel. As you saw last time, if you remember, we were on this Vaughan's Honda Hornet here. Bought as a non-runner. If you remember the last time, we had an issue where we got it up and running, but we'd sort of fixed a few issues, but we discovered a few more, which were the age-old problem of broken manifold bolts. So we've been trying to try different methods to get them out, but the problem we're facing, especially with this one on the end, is I can only weld one side there. I can't get a weld the other side because the gun won't fit at that angle, and every nut we get on is just breaking off. It needs to be welded all the way around. So the only option we've had, we're also having another issue where I've welded on that one, is we can't get anything on it. The wheel's in the way, this bar's in the way, and those oil cooler pipes are in the way. So we can't sort of like get purchase on these broken manifold head bolts to remove them, to get enough purchase on them to remove them. So the only answer we can think of is we've got to get the engine out, which we started to strip all back down again, airbox, carburetors, blah blah blah. All bolts are loose, ready to go. The rods are ready, the nuts are off, the rods are ready to come out, and the jack is under. It is under the engine, takes the weight, and she's more or less ready. And so all we had was this bolt here, which there's a bolt there with a nut on the other end. I can show in, I don't know if the camera will show it there, which is off. But there's a bush here, and this bush is completely seized. Seized to that nut, which is stopping that bolt coming out. I didn't think at first it was going to be an issue, because I thought, well, we could just slide the engine out that way, but if you come round to this side, it doesn't work like that. I was hoping it would, but it doesn't, in that you're all right there with that bracket. It's free to come out this way here, but this bracket here and the bottom one, they stop the engine coming out that way. So it would have to have them out, this dropped down and then slid forward, but it's proving too awkward. So with this seized bolt now as another option, another problem stopping us get to those problems, we're just gonna have to grind this head off now, and then it should come free then, because that head is the only thing stopping this engine going that way because of that bush. Yeah, it's been one step forward, 3 steps back, but that is part of this. I've done one or two bikes myself now before. This is Nick, by the way. He is one of the other members of the team. Vaughan, as you met before. We are actually getting on with a few other jobs here now as well. Obviously, we're discovering other problems. Crappy bearings. We managed to get the disc bolts out because the disc is warped. So, fair to play, one thing we did think was going to be a big problem, and it almost started to be a problem, trying to get the Allen key, the right Allen key in there. We managed to do, what size was it in the end?
6mm.
It was a 6mm, was it? Yeah. But I think it was just crudded up, was it?
Yeah.
The holes are crudded up. A 5 was too small, and she's off. Oh, that's perfect timing, wasn't it? Huh? Voilà. There you go, progress, look. She walked.
Put it straight as
Oh, no. As you can see, the engine is now out. We've managed to, on this trolley, bench / thing we fashioned here, we managed to lift it out this way, over onto there, and now we're doing some electrical maintenance to the garage at the moment, but at the same time we have got that horrible looking one where that's such a horrible weld there because I couldn't get to it, but hopefully now I can redo this. And we've got, where's the other one? Where is the other one? Oh, it's on this side, because the other side, it's the other way around now. Right, so we got him there, which I am probably going to, there's a piece of angle there, and I'm with a drilled hole in it. I'm going to slot over and then build a weld around. This, I don't know, I'm going to try and just get maybe mold grips or something, or just build the snob of the weld up a bit more so that I can get like a shifting spanner on it and turn it. We'll see what we can weld to that one and see if we can get it on. We've sprayed it and it's been soaking for a good hour or so now. So yeah, we'll tune in again when there's more progress, but there's lots of progress going on now. Bike is more or less a skeleton now. One's happy because there's progress, but here is where we get to the main problem, in that I don't know what we're gonna do here. We're trying to do everything heat and welding before we think about drilling. Drilling is in the back of our minds, but we want to try and avoid it if we can. So we're getting these two bolts, if we can get them out. There is another bolt snapped on there, but it doesn't seem to be causing an issue with anything leaking and like that, so we're gonna just leave sleeping dogs lie. These are the two we need to get done. Is she come in?
I think so. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, lefty loose here.
Yeah.
She come in?
Yeah.
That's it. Take another grab now. Spanner might work now, is it? Reckon?
This is the first one, eh?
Oh, he's always got to find the negative, isn't he? Huh? Yeah. It's like a constant conflict within each other's minds, like that. It's coming a little good now.
Lovely. Professional one.
It was whoever welded that knew what they were doing. I can tell that now. And they must have gone through the pain barrier to achieve such a weld as well.
First attempt as well.
Huh?
First attempt.
Of what?
Welder.
Me. Yeah. First ever.
Hey, we didn't catch any of that, no?
It's alright. If I come by here, look, and you can see what you're doing better then.
I'm gonna miss the money shot there.
No, I got it.
Was he?
I don't know why he's getting right diva now, though, because as soon as he realised the camera might not have been on him, he's like, hey, you're the camera should be for the money shot, you know? I'm why you're all here. Going well, bye.
You got it.
That's what I was going to say. Get up the top there. Oh, that's beautiful. Looks an ugly process, doesn't it? It looks like you're destroying it.
Yeah. You can't make it on without breaking eggs, can you?
Well, there you go. That is wisdom right there, Mike. You cannot make an omelette without breaking eggs.
I'm too excited now.
Unless it's a vegan omelette.
You can make it on without breaking eggs, because you can buy it in a bottle now, yeah?
Oh, do I obviously get ready? They're in like a plastic container, you know, like shellless eggs.
Americans use them.
Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. That's our YouTube exposure in America gone. I'll have to edit that. Yes! I missed the money shot. You have to put it back in. I wasn't filming.
Did you go?
No.
You got another one to do now, mate.
Yeah, I know. I gotta weld it first. I gotta weld onto that one now. Right. Weld number 2. Oh, bolt number 2. Is she coming? If you keep an eye on the washer behind, look.
Yeah.
Can you see? I know I'm in your face a bit. Is she moving?
Yep.
Is she moving though? Keep an eye on that washer, because if the...
Let's go back and forth, even if you do it for 2 minutes. Get the rhythm going.
Slow and steady when
It's all in the hip.
Just tap it in.
It's your home, Bob. Why don't you go home?
Something like that. The washer's moving there with you. Oh, see you.
Do you want to have a go, mate?
He's got knack near. He's like, I wouldn't think
just
to
got-
do the rocking
yeah,
like
it's
that.
just got the-
It doesn't seem like he's doing anything that would help it. But if you want me to re-weld it, Mike, with something better,
Yeah, just get a bit of grip on it.
yeah, because they said an awkward handle as well, innit? But we know, like,
Let's move it. Yeah, no, boys. Okay, boys. Thank you all, boys. Fucking teamwork. Just landed.
oh, fantastico.
I can.
That was, where was the other one? Where's the other one? Is that it there? So there you go. There's the two offending items. You show them to... Oh, eh?
Great
Yeah.
success!
Go again.
Great success!
Wow, we were. So there we go. And that's how to get. So if you ever have one of these and you've never done it before, we haven't done it before properly either. We've got the engine out, so we could get better purchase on the area, so there wasn't so much stuff in the way. And then, you know, between us all, we've all sort of like had an input into how to do it, and we've come up with a system that's worked for us anyway. Perseverance is the main thing, though, I think, innit?
Yeah.
So, no, so we've saved the bike here now. This is, nothing can stop us now. Plenty might try, but I don't think,
My favourite song.
yeah.
Great success!